And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to place video footage in transparent text in Premiere Pro. I've got this video footage right here. I'll put it in my timeline. You will find that via the description link below. I'll give it some default transitions. Afterwards, I'll go to File, New, and Legacy Title. I'll simply call it Earth and click on OK. Now I can work with this panel right here. I'm going to resize it a little bit. I simply click on the screen and I type in a word, in this case Earth, and I can use this panel on the right or the upper menu to adjust the type. Let me make it bigger, and you should use a bold type. Hit center it on the left and reposition it with the cursor. When you're done, simply close it and then drag it into your timeline. We'll increase the duration. It doesn't need to have a default transition, so we can clear that. Right now it is shown from the beginning, but when we make it transparent it will vanish. Let's go to Effects and type in Matte. You will find it under Video Effects, Keying, and there is the Matte key. We will drag and drop it on our video footage, and in the Effect Controls panel we can now find it. We need to give it the correct source, which is video 2. You will find the number right here. And it already works. Simply start your video footage and there it is. And this is how simple you can place video footage in text in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.